Do you know that you need $700 extra income just for covering your bills? So today I want to show you a model of what I do for bring that money to my home and to helping to cover those bills. So let me show you. My name is Cynthia and I sell on platforms like Amazon, Poshmark, Mercari, and eBay. And just this past month, I made $23,000 as you can see in here. I started Amazon in November 2019 and then I pivoted a little bit to eBay. So this is how much I make in eBay. eBay is my second best platform. I sell $6,000 every 90 days. That means $2,000 by month. The name of the business that I do is Amazon Retail or Online Arbitrage. Right now, you can go to any store and find items like this. There is a Squishmallow and then list it in your Amazon store and start to selling them and make profit with them. So how you can do in eBay in this case? I started eBay with stuff that I have around my home, and as you can see here, this one was my first item and it was a gift for my brother. So I started to listing it in eBay and it sold around 2 or 3 days after that listed it. And electronics is a really good started in eBay or all these platforms. But do I really bring all the money to my home? The reality is nobody bring all the total numbers that you see out there. So in the case of Amazon, I bring 18% of profit in all the total number. In the case of eBay, I bring 65% of profit. So as you can see, you can bring that $700 extra income to your home doing either Amazon, eBay, or any other platform out there that you put your mind into, that you put the effort into, or that you doing every day, not one day, and then just remember the next week, and then that will not work. So you have to put the work every day, learning every day, and then pivot if that is not working for you. So I hope that helps. And for more information, we got free groups, we got league groups, and we have the coaching call that you can schedule with us and see how we can help you with. So bye bye.